Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Hope all is well. In today's video, I just wanted to quickly come on here and try on a few makeup items that I recently picked up from Yesstyle. And they're just some new products that I want to try with you guys. I usually don't like to do makeup tutorial because I don't think I'm really good at it. But it is fun to just sit down and just to try on some of these products and kind of talk through it with you guys. So that is what we're gonna do today. And then I'm also going to include my outfit of the day at the end of the video because I really like this outfit that I have on today. So I'm going to show you that as well. So without further ado, let's go into the video. First off, I'm going to use this BB cream by Misha. It is number 23. I believe this color is a little bit darker than what I intended. So I'm just gonna dot some on. I don't want it to be overwhelming. So I'm just gonna do a little bit. And then I'm just going to blend it out with this sponge. Moving on, I'm going to put some concealer under my eyes, and I like to use a thicker concealer. So next up, I'm gonna do my brows. I like to fill them in with a pencil just to get a little bit more coverage. So I like to fill in my eyebrows with a little bit of powder and a brush just to give it a little bit more staying power. And I really like the results of how the powder fills in the eyebrows and just make it look so seamless. Alright, I'm done with my eyebrows. Let's move on to eyeshadows. And the one I'm going to use today is the 3CE Stylenanda Triple Eyeshadow. This looks so pretty. It is this scrumptious pink and kind of a little bit of a burgundy in there. And I think it's just going to look so nice for the summer. I'm going to start off with this color over here, which has a little bit more of a pinky orange tone. And I'm just going to lightly sweep that over my eyelids. This color is light, but it's such a nice transition color. And I like that it's light, but it still gives you a wash of color on the lids. And I really think it's fresh for the summertime. Okay, so let's move on to the other two. I'm going to go in the middle of the two colors right here, like this with my brush, and see if I can get a good transition color on the lid. This color is quite powdery. It's very smooth. It goes on so nice. So I'm gonna do the same for the other eye. Okay, so now that I'm done with my shadow, I am going to blend it out. Now I'm going to do my eyeliner. So now that my eyeliner is on, let's move on to a little bit of contouring. This is the Peri Para V Shading Palette, and it just has 3 colors in here, light, medium, and dark color. And I'm going to use my brush. As you can see, I've been using this a lot and it already has some indentation here. I usually toggle my brush between the 2 shades, medium and dark right here, and then just shade it into my little eye area here on the inside, just a little bit. I am so lazy at contouring, guys. It's so serious. I do not like to contour. I think it takes so much of my time. That's the reason why. And to the extent of doing my regular everyday makeup, I will probably just stop at this moment right here where I'm just shading a little bit inside of my nose bridge right here, just a little bit. And that will probably end the contouring process for me right there. Next up, I want to try this single blusher. It is from a brand called the SAEM or SAEM, SAEM. I don't know the pigmentation, how it's going to play off, but it's this really nice pinkish color. Oh, it's kind of pigmented. Okay. Let's see here. Whoa. Woo. Wow, this has a lot of color punch to it. Woo. So this may be too dark. I like this color. I think it's so pretty. It is very colorful, very pigmented, so a little go a long way. I do recommend this product. It seems very nice. So let's try a little bit of mascara. This is called the Avalon Mascara. It is from the brand Suvimi. I don't know. Let's try. See how this goes. I have recently steered away from using mascara because I feel like they flake and it gets into my contacts, and that can be so annoying. So I'm brushing and brushing this product on, and it seems like it's not going anywhere. I don't know if this is a new tube and it's still very sleek, the formula, too wet, but it's not catching on to my lashes very well. So I think that's the most I can do with this mascara. It's not the best that I've tried so far. I feel like the formula is too thin. It's not really coating my lashes very well, and it's not really doing anything for it. It's natural, and it does give a little bit of lift, but that's about it. I also have this glitter shadow, which I'm not sure if I want to use it or not. It is by Black Rouge. I think I'll just dab a little bit underneath my lower lash line here. Okay, so I hope it's picking up on the camera. What do you guys think about this glitter? I think it's cute. It just gives it a little bit of that teary look, and it opens up my eyes a little bit more. Okay, so last but not least, let's do the lips. And I have with me this Black Rouge liquid lip color. And I believe this is, I forgot what color this is, but it's like a burgundy. I love the smell of this burgundy red color. This is one of the best liquid lipstick formula that I've tried. I like the way it sticks on to my lips. I like how soft and buttery it is. I also like the smell. It has a really nice smell to it as well. The color pigmentation is really, really nice. And I love this color also. I think it's such a great color to transition from the fall into the summer, into the spring. It's such a good color for me. I think it's awesome. So that is it for the portion of this Yesstyle makeup summer look. How do you guys think I did? Isn't it so cute? So this is the outfit I prepared for today. This dress here I got, I believe, last year from COS. And then my handbag is from Marni. It is this really cute snake print embossed leather from Marni. And I've been in love with this bag ever since I got it, which is been maybe half a year now. Really, really cute, and I really like it. Then my shoes are from Sukoike, and these are really comfortable. I really like the aesthetic of them. They're very easy, comfortable to wear. It's easy to walk in, and the sole is really soft. Super, super nice. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye!